Your next barbecue is about to get an AI twist on sizzling meat. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free newsletter. Now, if you could, would you ask a chef that you'd like to have your steak or chicken cooked absolutely to the right, perfect temperature every time? Well, meet the Perfecta. It's a UK-based startup, Sear Grill's attempt to use AI to do just that. The Perfecta looks like a fancy toaster and could cook a 1-inch thick ribeye steak in 90 seconds flat, and the company reports that it can cook food 10 times faster than conventional methods. The oven ensures crisp edges with 360-degree heating and cooks both sides of the meat simultaneously using dual vertical infrared burners. The makers of Perfecta say that the burners can reach 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit, and that built-in artificial intelligence calculates the proper cooking time and temperature based on the food to make it the perfect sear. Sensors in the Perfecta detect the thickness of the steak or chicken and prevent over or undercooking by moving the burners toward or away from the meat as needed. Sear Grills calls a whole smart setup Neural Fire, which sports a quad-core processor and a bunch of sensors. Smoke and vapor exhaust out of the top of the Perfecta, and grease drips into a dishwasher-safe pan in the bottom. Smart design. The Perfecta runs on gas with a 12-volt electric cord for its electronic interface. The outdoor grill is expected to start selling when? Fourth quarter of 2024 at a price tag of just a mere $3,500. Ready to cook? More crazy tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Just click the red button to get it for free.